Assalamu alaikum students. Today is grammar lecture and we will learn how we can create sentences according to the given picture. Students, in order to create appealing sentences according to the given picture, it is necessary for us firstly to observe all actions happening or activities which are going on in the picture. Firstly, we will observe all these activities carefully. Then we also observe the positions of about different things which are showing in the picture. Then we can create appealing sentences. Like students, here look at the picture. Where is the boy going? The boy is going to PO box in order to post a letter. You know what is PO box? PO box means post office. Friends, when we want to post letter, we post letter here. Letter means you know khat. And look at the picture. Here man is sitting in the shop. Here we can say that there is a vegetable and fruit shop beside the road. Man is sitting, the boy is standing and he is looking at the different vegetables. Look at the woman. Here we can say that the woman is going to shop for buying vegetable. Next students, what is it? It is a road. Here we can say that about car. The car is on the road. And look at the woman and two small children. The woman and two children are crossing the road. Here, look at this woman. She is standing in front of the house. And look at them. Here we can say that the woman is coming out the house and the man is going to the house. Students, look at this man. Here we can say that some men are sitting in the shop. Students, here we will create some sentences according to the picture. Firstly, look at the boy. Here we will create sentence. The boy is going to PO box. Look at the boy, he is going to PO box. PO box means post office. Why he is going to post office? He is going to post office to post a letter. Next, look at the woman. Here we can say that the woman is going to shop. Why she is going to shop? She is going to shop to buy vegetable. We can say that the woman is going to shop to buy vegetables. Buy means खरीदना. Here we can write about shop. There is a vegetable and fruit shop. So you know where is vegetable and fruit shop? It is beside the road. Here we can say that there is a vegetable and fruit shop beside the road. Look at next point. Here we can create sentence. The woman and children are crossing the road. Look at their activity. What are they doing? They are crossing the road. Here we can say that the woman and children are crossing the road. Now students, next look at the car. Here we can create sentence. Where is the car? The car is on the road. Here we can create sentence. The car is on the road. Hopefully students, you got my point. While observing all actions, happening, activities of people which they are performing in the given picture, we can create appealing sentences. We also observe the position of different things, then we can create appealing sentences according to the given picture. Students, in order to create sentences according to the given picture, we always use present tense. Now students, look at the picture. While observing this picture, you will create maximum 10 sentences in your homework.